So this is a recording of the Bunsen burner lab. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the Bunsen burner. And we're going to boil water, or heat water at least, in a paper cup. See what happens. And so first I want to prove to you that these paper cups are ordinary paper cups. So if I hold the paper cup directly in the Bunsen burner flame, we can see that the paper cup will burn. Alright, so hopefully I won't end up with any further photos in the lab than that one. So, put the burner underneath. I have my volume of the water measured out already. Okay, it was like 50.2 milliliters. And I'm going to put the cup on top of the ceramic centered screen. Let me get my initial temperature. Initial temperature is 23.0, and so I'm going to start taking temperature measurements every 30 seconds. What I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to take the temperature measurements every 30 seconds. Notice I'm stirring. I'm going to continue to do this until the temperature stays the same for 2 minutes or levels off and then starts to decrease. Alright, so we start to make some observations. We definitely have some sound. Don't know if the mic's picking it up, but it sounds like a whistling. Alright, definitely seeing some bubbles forming inside the cup. And now we're at 97.3. So we're going to stop there because we definitely are not going to reach our peak again. So I'm going to turn off the burner just for a second. Alright, we got to get the cup off, and we're going to pour in the graduated cylinder. Really see a lot of condensation on the graduated cylinder. Alright, our volume now is like 42.8. Okay, you can see the charring on the bottom of the cup. So one thing I want to show is I'm going to put the cup back on here, and I'm going to relight the burner. And I'm going to prove that if it was just the cup and the ceramic centered screen and there was no water in it, let's find out what will happen to the cup. That's funny, the sizzling stopped, which must mean that the water's gone. And now, shortly after that, you can see the cup starting to smoke. So you can see that if it was just the ceramic centered screen protecting the cup, that would not be enough to keep the cup from burning on its own.
Normally we have the cup like this on here, but what he wanted you to see, you already saw the cup burn, and this is how it gets heated. You already saw it without, but check this out. What if I light it from the top? See, it's still burning.